Pressing crow to handstand is pretty tricky. There's a few things to keep in mind. You want to try to keep your hips high as you round the upper back and push the floor away. Once the hips are stacked, you can straighten the arms, pulling the navel in towards the spine. Squeeze the legs together. To come back down, pull the knees in tight towards the chest. Start to round your upper back again, leaning forward, bending the elbows, lowering down. Another way to approach it is to toe tap, tapping the toes towards the wrists to help you drive your hips up and over the shoulders. Once the hips are stacked, the legs become light and you'll be able to take them up. To lower back down, you want to think about keeping the hips over the shoulders the whole time as you slowly pull the legs in towards the chest, moving the toes towards the wrists. It takes a lot of practice, a lot of strength and flexibility to make it happen, so keep practicing and have fun with this one.